appreciate all the love. Something or Other tour. If you need questions answered, this is the guy to listen to because that's how you're gonna learn about all things Niners or Kings, A's, Giants, or anything, any kind of historical fact you want to know. You can just call him Encyclopedia Britannica right here.
Remember that name, Something or Other Tour.
Well, it's funny you guys say that because I'm actually changing the name.
Oh, okay.
But no, Something or Other Tour is always relevant, but the new name is Variety with two V's.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
I like that. I like that.
But,
BBS style.
Yeah, but the way I see it is the OGs, it's always Something or Other Tour. You know what I mean? That means you were here early. Welcome to Variety. That's right, new name, same channel, same old me, same pretty face, you know what I mean? I'm Dylan, we're at the 49ers Tailgate. We're gonna talk about our favorite experiences, tell some stories. There's going to be more 49ers content throughout the season as well as a ticket giveaway. So we're just going to enjoy the tailgate today and talk to some of the Niner faithful, some of my buddies, new friends, strangers, all of the above. We got our cool little mic thing thanks to Steve-O, the Pick fan. Of course, we're going to do a ticket giveaway like always. Not sure what game yet. Best way to find out, follow us on Instagram at Variety Show with 2 V's. I'll put it right here. And also thanks to everybody that joined in at the Candlestick giveaway. The live stream was super fun. Gave away a bunch of cool stuff. Mini helmet, posters, pins, and preseason tickets to 2 different preseason games. So make sure you're subscribed so that you can enjoy some good content, number 1. And number 2, join into some of these giveaways and get some cool stuff, some cool swag. Consider this something like a hype video for the season. It's my first game of the year. Can't wait to get in there, man. Get to my seats. First of all, what's your name? Where are you from?
Hey, what's going on, man? My name is Anthony Cardenas, Sacramento, California.
Sacktown. All right. Your favorite memory that you've seen live? 49er memory.
Man. Live? Okay. When Alex Smith threw that touchdown to Vernon Davis.
At the Saints divisional game?
The Saints game, baby. Bro. That was crazy. Everyone went
That's
wild.
one of my favorite games ever. I missed that one. My buddy had tickets for sale and I was broke and I couldn't go. And I was so hurt, so I went to the championship game, the next game, the Kyle Williams game, and had to walk out of there sad.
The 2 fumbles?
Yeah, I was like, man, I should have gone to the Saints game.
Oh, man. Hey. Best game ever.
Yeah,
Best game ever live. You can't take that experience away.
For sure. You know what it is? Barrett's Delfetti. What's your guys' favorite live memory you have at a Niner game?
Man, I got a couple, man. I've seen the Navarro Bowman pick 6.
I was there too.
You know what I mean? I seen the Justin Smith on the 1 yard line against the Giants. You know what I mean? Like, I got a few of them, man. Like, man.
I'm gonna go with something current. The Hufanga pick 6 all the way to the house was nice. It was a baby juggle and then right to the house.
If we gonna go current, I'm gonna go with my current 2019 Drake Greenlaw, Seattle 1 yard line, Super Bowl, baby.
Yeah.
That's the one for me.
Another one will be the championship game when we went to the Super Bowl and getting an alert on my Apple Watch saying the 49ers have won the NFC Championship game and are going to the Super Bowl. But this year, we're going to put that next Lombardi up there with those other 5. It's time for 6 this year.
Right now. 6 is coming this year.
Jared from Santa Clara.
Jared from South San Jose, baby.
2 Jareds. Yeah. Okay. What's your favorite 49ers memory you've seen live?
Hufanga's interception, and he brought it back. I forgot what game that was. But it was Hufanga's interception.
He has so many.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
All the interceptions. Yeah.
You gotta take it back to Candlestick, baby. Joe Montana's last game was my first game my dad took me to. I got to see him play a quarter and a half, maybe 2 quarters. Man, that took, from there, sky's the limit, baby. Let's go.
I'm jealous, man.
Question 6, baby. Question 6.
I'm jealous, bro. My first game, it was Steve Young, so at least I got to see him.
So
I didn't get to see Joe live, but
I got to see Joe live on the field, man.
I got to see him live at that last flag football game, Legends of Candlestick. So I saw him lead a game-winning drive.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
In the cold, windy candlestick. That's what I tell people. I just end it there. You know?
I'm Eric Lopez from the 209, Stockton, Cali.
Same. Mike Del Campo, 209ers, and I'm born and raised in San Francisco and from Stockton too.
Favorite 49ers memory that you've seen live?
2012 playoffs at Candlestick, playing the Saints. Alex Smith runs one in for the touchdown on our end of the end zone.
Yeah.
We're right there to take the
That's
lead.
one of my favorite plays ever.
Yes.
Yeah, he just ran in. He was so excited.
Yes.
Across the
We're right
end zone.
there.
Yeah, bro. I love that play.
That was his coming out party, man.
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, for
he was
sure.
coming right at us.
Yeah. That's your favorite too?
You know, my favorite? Pick at the stick, baby.
I was there for that. Yeah.
Pick at the stick.
I was there for that too.
Right there, baby. Let's end it out in great fashion. Pick at the stick. Bowman across the finish line into the playoffs, baby.
Yeah.
Right there, Bowman.
That was I was there for that too.
Hey, you can have hair and my hair stood up.
The ball, when it bobbled up and he came underneath it, I blacked out after that. I don't even remember the play. I just remember I felt like I was crowd surfing in the upper deck.
Candlestick erupted though.
Yeah.
I mean, the cement was just hollow. It sounded hollow. It was just so loud.
The best.
And that's the way we put Candlestick out.
Yeah.
It was perfect.
Here's another one. Me and this guy, Mike, we're in Green Bay, Lambeau. First time ever there.
Yeah.
Playing in the playoffs.
Coldest game
In
ever.
the snow?
Yep, we're in the snow, all geared up in our snow gear. The lock, punt, and Hufunga recovers it and runs it in for the touchdown. We're right there also.
Hey, we hear the cheers from the Bay Area out there. It was loud. And there was a lot of us out there too.
Yeah, for sure.
Michael Venancio from San Jose, California.
All right, what's your name? All right.
Ooh, seen live. I don't know. I think I'm gonna make my favorite memory today. This is my daughter Emma's very first 49er game.
That's awesome.
And then so this is gonna be a lifetime memory for her. She's 4 today, and you know every year after this is gonna be continuous games.
For sure, man. That's awesome. Like I always talk about like in my videos how important these memories are and how important sports can be. It's more than just the game on the field.
Absolutely.
You know what I mean? Families connect and friends connect and stuff like that. So it's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that with me.
Of course.
First of all, what's your name? Where are you from?
Will,
Will? From where?
North Beach.
Okay, North Beach.
Kicking the shit out of the Chargers last year was pretty fun. Yeah, that was pretty dope.
How do you think the season's gonna end for us this year?
Wagon.
Yeah?
Wagon. Wagon.
We got a new track called Tailgate. Del Fetty and myself, Bariz, are featured on it. It's our cousin Rando song. We're shooting a video today here in the Blue Line 1 and the Green Line 1. That's Del Fetty right there.
Make sure y'all pull up to the tailgate, man. Anytime we go to anybody else's stadium, we're renting out their stadium. So, you know, it's just a Niner thing, man. It's a Niner thing 24/7. Keys are the Candlestick. Now we at Levi, Santa Clara, you know what I mean? It's still the same thing.
And to the opposing team stadium too, because their stadiums are our stadium too. You know what I mean? That's just how we do it. We gonna red out.
Make sure y'all check out the second
Yeah.
installment. Variety.
Yeah.
2 V's though. You feel me?
Yeah.
This how we do, NinerEmpire.com. My name is DJ No One. That's my brother DJ Juice. 1, 2, 3, world famous 49 shots.
What I love about Niner games, the Niner fan base, is so diverse. All different walks of life, races, nationalities, ages, cultures, everything, man. It's beautiful. All coming together under one red and gold banner, you know? It's dope, man. I love it.
First time meeting a new channel. Let's go! Niners! Right here! Take a Candlestick Park!
How do you think the 49ers season ends this year?
Ooh, you know what? And I would sound like a typical 49er fan by saying
all
this,
good.
but I think we see the Miami Dolphins in the Super Bowl, man.
Okay.
I think we see the Miami Dolphins in the Super Bowl.
And what's the
in
outcome?
Las Vegas. Ooh, Moody with the kick at the end.
Oh, yeah?
3 points, walk off win, baby.
All right.
That's it.
All right, we'll give you a prize if that happens.
All right, man. Hit me up. Hopefully it's tickets to the Super Bowl, the next Super Bowl.
I'm predicting Super Bowl, baby. Hell yeah.
Super Bowl or bust, huh?
Yes.
Number 6?
Baby.
6 for sure.
What's for 6?
We got to. For sure.
Yeah.
Or somebody's going to get fired.
For sure.
Oh, Super Bowl champs, baby.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Super Bowl or bust?
Super Bowl or bust. That's it. Brock Purdy, the truth, taking us all the way. We got the stacked team.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. It's now or never.
It's now or never.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Emma. Appreciate you. Enjoy your first game. All right, man. Thank you, brother. Shout out Sav's brand for the dope Frisco shorts. Got the Giants and the Niners on it. And for the people that say don't say Frisco, stop it. Frisco has been accepted since the gold rush by countercultures, minority cultures. So it's really a dog whistle for classism and racism. All right, so Frisco is entirely acceptable. Just history lesson for you guys. You guys know I like my history. How do you think our season ends this year?
I'm gonna. You're not gonna believe this, but I think we're gonna go undefeated all the way into the Super Bowl. That's just
Hey, I respect it.
I'm going on past statistics, and we haven't lost yet.
Yeah, there's no data to show that we'll ever lose.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna let fate take its course because I don't want to jinx my team. I believe in the power above. So we gonna win. Let's just say that we gonna win. Let's go. Niners, baby.
This is my stepmom.
My name is David. Everybody knows me as 49ers Playlist. I'm from Palo Alto, California. Your 49ers Playlist? Yeah. Oh, I do know you. All right, I know who this is. How do you do that, bro? How do you have a video up so quick? All right, I just quickly edit and I just put it up. You know, I've been doing it for years, and yeah, I just like to build my crafts, and I take pride in it. He puts out dope videos right away, bro. Super quick. It's crazy. Favorite memory that you've seen live? Live, oh man, would have to be here at Levi's because it has to be the playoffs against the Cowboys because that was my rival. You know, growing up as a kid, you know, I'm a huge Steve Young fan, and seeing them finally beat the Cowboys and won the Super Bowl, and that's my fondest memories. Next week is gonna be my first Cowboys game. Oh yeah? Yeah, same thing, bro. I hate the Cowboys more than any other team for sure. The only thing I could say, the Dodgers and Cowboys are up there, and all sports teams. So how do you think this season's gonna end for the 49ers? Well, it's Super Bowl. We gotta get that Super Bowl. We've been waiting for West for 6, and I think we have the team to do it. Yeah. Go Niners, bang bang Niner gang, Niner for life, and I love bleeding red and gold, and I love showing our pride as faithful.
Max, I'm from Stockton.
Julia, I'm from Fremont.
Live?
Yep.
When they were in Stockton practice.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that was live. That was Jerry Rice was still there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, dude, this is my first game.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's dope, man. I'm glad you're here.
When Jimmy Garoppolo made his debut, because
Oh yeah.
so cute.
And it was exciting too.
Yeah, we were all here and we're like, what is he gonna do?
Yeah, we finally had a solid quarterback, after just this carousel.
Yes.
And I always loved Jimmy. He held it down. He did what he had to do.
He was all right.
Hey, look, the way I see it, if you carried the flag for us and you fought, I'll respect it. You know what I mean?
I agree.
David, I'm from Winter, California. Down here is probably my third time being here at Levi with the family. My birthday weekend, so it's the second time my birthday weekend over here with the wife, the kids, my brother, my beautiful sister-in-law, my beautiful wife. I think when it was my first time going to Candlestick.
I'm Ellie Rivera from San Jose, 408, baby.
What's your favorite 49ers memory you've seen live?
About a couple years ago when I saw the Rams game when Debo went off.
Oh, yeah.
The Rams.
I mean, he kind of went off on every Rams game.
I don't care. We got to be the Rams.
Yeah.
And Debo just scored 2 touchdowns. And I love Debo. I named my dog Debo, by the way.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, my dog Debo. My favorite memory is actually the first game I ever saw as a kid. I used to love Niners back when they had Jeff Garcia, Terrell Owens, Garrison Hurst. I watched the first playoff game against the Giants at my aunt's house. And I saw T.O. go off like that. And that made me fall in love with the Niners, bro. Because, man, that's the first playoff game. And, we come back like that with Jack Garcia and T.O.
For sure.
Can't beat that.
How do you think the season's going to end for the Niners?
Man, I say this every year, but this is our year. This is our year, man. The Brock Purdy, he's the truth, man. Trey Lance, shout out to you, but Purdy, he proved it. Even last year, he proved me wrong, because I'm like, damn, our season's over.
Yep.
It wasn't, man.
Yeah,
you see the way he plays? Even my dad says it reminds me of Joe Montana.
Yeah.
Keeping it cool and like he reads shit.
Yeah.
We always had a good team. It always comes down to the quarterback.
Yeah.
I think we got the quarterback now.
Yeah. We got like all pros at every level, man.
CMC, Debo, IU, Juszczyk, Kittle, Greenlaw, Warner,
Trent Williams, bro. Like, come on, bro.
We
all pros everywhere.
Yeah, all pros everywhere. We always need a quarterback. Oh, we're gonna hoist the trophy.
Yeah, Super Bowl. But we got
Vegas, in Vegas. On top of
17
that.
games. I'm gonna give us a 14-3, 15-2 type. You know what I mean? We're gonna get the number one bye, sit out, rest everybody, and then just smash all the way through, bro.
NFC West champs, NFC champs, Super Bowl champs.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna kill it. We're gonna kill it, dude. Super Bowl.
Okay. No, Super Bowl or bust?
Super Bowl or bust?
Yeah.
Super Bowl. Number 6. Super Bowl or bust? Super Bowl bust. We need it. Yeah. I'm thirsty, man. I'm thirsty. I need to be marked. 95. 95. I got remember seeing this. I got fond memory of the first Super Bowl we won against Bengals. Yeah. But the other ones, I remember every single one. Yeah, yeah. After that, 80s. Yeah. Can't beat the 80s. Yeah, yeah. Joe Montana, you know, Jerry Rice, Ronnie Lott, Roger Craig, Tom Bradford. Oh, man. I remember the last 3. In 95, my dad lied, said I had a doctor's appointment. I got his school, so I could go to the parade. So, yeah. We gotta get number 6. Gotta get number 6, guys. Hey, gotta come down, enjoy this. Beautiful stadium, beautiful people.
Nothing less. Nothing less.
Yeah. Appreciate you. Thank you. Enjoy your first game, man. Getting to go to games to me is a blessing.
That's how we know we got a good team. We're resilient. We come back, man. It's bang bang every day.
Phil, SoCal.
What's your favorite 49ers memory that you've seen live?
That I've seen live.
SoFi? Getting drunk at SoFi?
Tailgating, SoFi. That's it.
How do you think the season's going to end for us this year?
Pretty f***ing well. I don't see too much getting in our way. Boys are buzzing. Big Brock is going. That's all we need. Let's go.
My name's Tito.
Nice to meet you, man.
I'm from San Jose, California. To be exact, the Bay Area. You know, the best 49 memory is spending with the 49er family. That's the best memory of my
every
life.
game, right?
Yep, every game.
Best fan base in football. That's it for the tailgate here at Levi's Stadium. Bang Bang Niner gang, you know what it is. I'm gonna have to leave you guys here. We've done a ton of game experiences at Levi's Stadium and other stadiums, so make sure you're subscribed. Check our sports playlist. We've done a lot more than this, you know? Throughout the year, I give away a bunch of stuff. I am a season ticket holder. Give away preseason games, training camp tickets, game tickets, merchandise swag. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'd like to branch out. I know I'm a diehard Niner fan, but I would like to give away cool stuff from some of the historical places I go, some of the attractions I go to, of course more Niner stuff, maybe some other team stuff, we'll see. I'm just trying to diversify, do a little this or that, a little something or other. The new name, Variety, keep in mind, same channel, same me, everything's the same, just a little simpler, easier name, that's all. Variety with 2 V's, the first V stands for Vertlife, and that's it. As you can tell, 49ers faithful is super excited this season. It's been a great season so far. So we have high hopes. We haven't won it all since January 29th of 1995. So we're hungry, man. We're hungry. Shout out to everybody that took part, shared their stories, their experiences with me. Like I've said so many times, these experiences mean everything to me. I appreciate all of you that have subscribed, that have liked the videos. It really means a lot. Thank you. Like, subscribe, share, do all the cool things that cool kids do. Something or Other Tour is now Variety, Vertlife, always. Go Niners. meet you guys, man. Nice to meet you.
This year we're doing a tailgate tour, so come catch us on the tailgate tour in your city or at our favorite stadium.
I started May Day off with a beefy 5-layer burrito and a monster.
That is gross.
It's the way to start your day for a game.
That's gross. Okay, cool. All right, let's test that. Let's see how it sounds.